Immobiliser Fit is the brand new 2024 Transit Custom protected with a Solaris alarm system. So if we just arm it by locking the vehicle, you'll see in the app, the vehicle becomes armed. If someone goes up and applies a force to it while the system's armed, you'll hear it trigger. If they try and apply a force to the rear door as well, or try and open it. So if someone got into this brand new 24 plate Transit Custom and went to steal it, they got the key, they've done a relay attack, they unlocked the van, it's just not going to start, they're going to be unable to drive away with all your tools. So what the customer has to do with this is when they get in the vehicle, go for a unique code. For now we just have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a double flash, and now we can start the vehicle. As you see, the vehicle fires into life, we can drive away. As soon as they leave the vehicle and lock it, the Solaris is active, so if someone applies a force to any of the doors, forces them open, jacks the vehicle up, tows it away, the vehicle's going to immobilise, the alarm's going to go off, and they're going to get a phone call. So with this, also comes with an app and tracking, so you can see the status of the car. As you can see, at the minute it's armed, we have a bubble around it, it's protected. If we were to zoom in here, you'd see where the vehicle is and where it's been. But if we unlock it, you'll see in a second the app's going to update, telling us the status of the vehicle. As you can see, we have a no entry sign, which means the vehicle is immobilised, so if I try and start it, it's not going to start up. If I open a door, you'll see within the app, it's going to update to show us the door's open. There we go, if I close it, door's closed. So now turn the ignition on, pop our code in 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for our double flash, and start the vehicle. As you see, the no entry sign is going to disappear, and we're going to see the vehicles running, all within the app. We can also lock it within the app, fire commands to it to find the vehicle, and so on. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. I'll just show you one more time. If we lock the vehicle, give it time to set and activate it by either applying a force or forcing one of the doors open. I'm going to hear the horn go off. We're going to disarm it quickly to avoid the neighbours, but hopefully we'll get a phone call before we disable it. Yep, so if we apply force now, there we go. As you can hear, it's going off. We've got a notification in our app, and there we go. System's calling us.